Hi, this is Kevin with the Open Academy students, and I'm working on the pull request integration feature. Last time I was able to open a review request based off of a payload from GitHub's webhooks, and currently I'm working on updating that review request whenever a synchronized action is sent from GitHub. So I'm going to go ahead and redeliver a payload for opening up a pull request. So I'll redeliver this, and I'll go over to review board side, and I'll refresh the page, and we'll see that I have a new review request created. So one feature that I added was that the diff is now available to be downloaded from the review request, which is something I previously didn't have. So I will go to the diff tab, and one issue that I've been running into is that I haven't been able to get the comparing two diffs to work, but when I go to download diff, I'm able to successfully pull it from the payload that I received. So there is the diff that is associated with this pull request. And another thing is that on the back end, I've saved the ID of the pull request in the extra data column of the review request, but it turns out that in order for me to make updates on the review request, I'm going to have to go through GitHub's status API in order to select which review request update. And this is because I can't really do a lookup of the review request based off of the extra data field. So we're going to have to either add new infrastructure for that, or for now just kind of work with what we have. And the temporary solution for that, just for the purposes of this prototype, is to work with GitHub Status API, and that'll work by tagging branches with a status. So whenever a review request is opened, we will tag that branch with a status that just says this is the description of the review request, and this is the location of the review request. So whenever an update is made, you will check the branch, and you will see if a review request already exists, and if it does, then we can do a simple lookup on the ID of the review request, and you can update the information accordingly. And I'll be working on that for the next upcoming week.